what's up, man? Nah, last night was the bomb, homie. Got fucked up, eh? But I woke up with this biggest fucking headache. Hungover like fucking bitch. Never drinking again, I'm going. Yeah, right. I usually wait till Sunday to have my menudo, but it's Saturday and I woke up all crudo. I think I had one too many shots of tequila. Mira, I heard I made a toast to mi vida. Left a big tip, mariachis took my grip. And the sad thing about it is I don't remember shit. Wait a minute, bartender, can you pass me a limon and a nice cold tecate? Thank you, Simon. Anyways, yesterday was the bomb all night long. Getting drunk off my ass, bottoms up on the glass. Presidente and Coke, 1800s, no joke. Had me feeling like I never felt before. So pour some more till I hit the floor or stumble out the door. And when the bar closes, it's time to hit the liquor store. Drinking tecates or that beer that's más fina. Taking shots of tequila while I'm in the cantina.
Cervezas in my hand and I don't give a damn. Another shot of tequila. Thank you very much, señorita. Cervezas in my hand and I don't give a damn. Another shot of tequila. Thank you very much, señorita.
I said I wouldn't drink no more, but this can't be true, cause it's not even noon and I already had two. One with my menudo and one during the break. You want me to promise that I won't drink? Well, that's a promise I can't make. Still suffering, hungover from the night before. But the only way to fix it is to drink some more. So did I? But of course, what you think? I'm sitting at the bar in front of beers and I won't drink. You gotta be kidding me, the buzz is hitting me. Got me feeling lightheaded. I'm headed to the park with the homie Spark. But they had some pisto there también. A couple 12 packs that they jacked. I'm feeling like there ain't no end. Cause everywhere I go there's alcohol till I fall. It's 7 o'clock, but will I make it to last call? Hey homie, your vato's gonna be here for a while, so I'll see ya. But if not, you know where I'll be, homie, at the cantina.
Cervezas in my hand and I don't give a damn. Another shot of tequila. Thank you very much, señorita. Cervezas in my hand and I don't give a damn. Another shot of tequila. Thank you very much, señorita.
Back in the cantina, sipping my cerveza. It's gonna be the same way as last night, homes, I betcha. Primos and friends from one end to the other end. The wicked wino is getting drunk again, stumbling. I'm wasted, and it shows. And wouldn't be surprised if later on I'm throwing blows. Cause that's the way it goes, and everybody knows. But I'll just relax and go with the flow. Bartender, I'm ready for another shot. And won't stop until I drop, or until somebody calls the cops. My primo picked me up off the floor. Said, I think you've had a little bit too much to drink. I don't think you should drink anymore. Dragging my body up the hill to mi canton. The bar's 5 minutes away, but it took me an hour to get home. I've learned my lesson. Rule number 1 of the cantina: don't mix cerveza with tequila.
Cervezas in my hand and I don't give a damn. Another shot of tequila. Thank you very much, señorita. Cervezas in my hand and I don't give a damn. Another shot of tequila. Thank you very much, señorita.
You know, every weekend I say I'm never gonna drink again, but I'm always going back to the cantina with mi familia. I got something to tell all of you. Never mix cerveza with tequila. I'm warning you.